There's a bird in my house. What the frick? Go outside, please. He's cute.
Oh, it's kind of sad. It's gonna go.
Please.
Go outside.
Just fly out. It's right there. The door's right there.
You're so close, dude.
Maybe we could turn the light on outside. Yeah, here, let's do that. Here, I'm gonna turn this. Jedi. He's freaking out.
Turn the light on.
Oh, I'll do it outside. You haven't.
I'm gonna hurt you.
Look at him. Oh.
Go.